CQB.com. What's up? Woo!
Watch the right door. Doorway covered.
Good job, boys.
Bolt out, bolt out, bolt out.
Kill out, kill out. Hey! Kill out. Take. Go.
Hey, bring him back here. We got a good match.
Get up.
I'll never talk.
Left or right?
Go right. Not you guys. You guys watch your right. You can shield. Go. Watch the left. I wasn't right. I was just joking.
Take their guns away.
Guns?
Run!
You good? That was bad. Good shooting.
MILSIMJUNKIE, man.
Love you. So how'd your MP9 work out for you?
So far, so good. Super mean.
Yeah?
Got a few people with it, yeah.
Nice. Alright. What kind of goggles are you wearing?
Revisions, Locust Revisions, foliage green, great product. Ask Arwen about it.
Rough. Nice try.
Whatever.
You're playing? You just changed? Weren't you wearing shorts earlier?
So I went home, grabbed my gun, and came over here.
Explain what it is.
It's an escort.
How much time do we have? Just having more fun at this point? Yeah.
Well, I mean, you need to get like my good side, you know?
Which side is your good side?
My good side, because you see me doing this, like...
What? You want me to like give you like... What do you want from me? Go away! Go away!
No! That was bad! That was pretty fly. Hey! That was badass, dude! She's, oh my god! You are OG! off then. She's G, yo.
They all have gas.
What is this for?
Oh, look at this guy praying.
What is this for?
I got like 8 tickets, please.
Oh, you're gonna make sure you don't hit the right number?
Wow.
Come on. Is that tears I see?
What? 6, 5, 1, 7, 1, 9. I'm gonna punch a cat.
Are you kidding?
Tell them where they can watch the video there, Chief.
Where can they watch the videos? If you're not going to MILSIMJUNKIE and watching the best airsoft place in the world, you're wrong.
I'm on YouTube.
That's right.
YouTube.
YouTube.
He said YouTube.
You watch it.